We're here on Singepole Mountain in whatever town this is. It's like friggin' 40 degrees, so the snow is wet, sticky, sticks to everything. Trying out my pole for the first time, and it looks like it might not even have us in it, but we'll see. On a little incline right now. I got no jokes to tell because I'm winded. That's, I don't know who that is behind me. Someone just showed up and started following me. Happens a lot. People are after my expertise. So they just, you know, stick with me because I'm so seasoned and whatnot. Branch just tried to grab my camera. Alright, I'm going to stop now. We may not make it. If we do, God willing, you'll hear from me again. Alright, so here we are still on Singepole. For some reason the snow just gave up in this spot. That's Corey. I'm your narrator, Mark. I have no idea what I'm doing with this camera right now. I ain't doing it like the professionals do it, that's for sure.
Yeah. I thought you were an expert.
On this shit.
Okay, I just went from cold to hot in 2 seconds.
That's where we're going. Let me see if I can do this. So, I have a feeling the pros just edit a lot. Although, how the hell would Scooby be editing when he's in the 100-mile wilderness? I have no idea.
Oh, you know they're editing. I got a cold and I'm definitely, today's a tough day.
Nah. I'll go for it. Trying out different things, see how they work. Christ, I have no awareness of my fucking lenses.
I'm practically naked. I'm wearing merino leggings and a thin merino shirt, and that's it.
Yeah, it's warm. I got just a shell on and bacon hut. Smarter person would take it off, but I am not that person. All right. Stick A, stick A. Oh, look at the up. We're going up.
In the summertime, we never get that sense of...
Yeah, you can't really see the ledges in the summertime. All right, I'm gonna shut her down. I'm gonna great. Doob 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 dooby doob doob doob. That's the question, all right. I thought I should be using one hand. Fletching around with this camera when I don't know if that works or not.
Like what river is that?
What's up?
Are we going further, or is this where we're going?
Oh, I thought this was it. Pretty difficult spots coming up here, frankly. Ah.